The Bible, is it real words of God? Let's find out. The Bible is not all God's words. There is God's words, human words, and Satan words. Let's find out. God will not talk to you directly because we are human being. If we see God, we are all die. So what he gonna do? He order his angels and all his information he transmitted to angels, and angel handed to the mediator and talk to the people in behalf of mediator, the angels. So when the angel finish his mission, he will go up to the heaven, he will go back. And then Satan, masquerade of angels of light, he will take over and talk to the mediator. And he talk like this, like that. And that's why if you listening the preaching or teaching of all people, the religious reader, phrase, pastor, elders, rabbi, Christ, Pharisee, that Jesus Christ is God. They are teaching that Jesus Christ is God. Now, Jesus Christ, if you read the real words of God, Jesus is a human being made of a spirit. And also, the pastor prays the teaching that if you die, there's something or somebody get out from you and it will go up to the heaven. That is wrong. That is satanic teaching, my friend. Now you know the truth, and the truth will set you free, my friend. You can see it there proving that the Bible are God's word. No, that is wrong, because Satan is a masquerade of angels of light, and also his ministro masquerade of righteousness. That is the pastor, phrase, elder, everybody who believe that Jesus Christ is God. And also, if you die, there's something come out behind you. That is the theory of Satan that deceive you, and you will fall in the judgment day. That's all, my friend. And you know the truth. You heard the truth, and the truth will set you free, that the Bible contain of God's words, contain of human words, contain of Satan words. That's why there are a lot of religions. They are pretending that they are debating, they're proving that they are true, but they are all minister of Satan. They are like a dog grabbing the bones without meat. That's all, my friend. And you know the truth, and the truth will set you free. Bye bye now.